UIU is home for a lot of us Igbos that are here in America. UIU brings that sense of culture. It brings that sense of togetherness and oneness of all Igbo people, just bringing them together and being in a space where they can be themselves and be proud of who they are, be proud of what their culture can bring to the American community. So UIU is home to that, and then that's why we continue to come to convention every year.
I always come back to UIU because I feel like it's a family. It was my first time last year and I was still fresh, so I didn't know what to expect. But once I got there, I met someone and she's like one of my closest friends now. I just like the family atmosphere. Everyone is one, and I love that.
My first one was in California. And you know, the initial thing for me is that you walk in, you're greeting everybody, they're greeting you. They're saying, you know, oh, what's your name? And I'm so used to code switching. They're saying, you know, oh, Onachi or Ocho. And like, no, what's your name? So I said, oh, it's Onache. And you know, that to me is like something you can't get anywhere else, you know? That's the initial shock factor of me, like, whoa, like, I'm with my people.
I believe that it's important for young Igbos to come together and to celebrate our culture. Especially in America, I feel like a lot of us have lost our identity, and coming to this and bringing all Igbos from every corner of the United States is important to see how we're all alike but also different. And the convention kind of brings us into one setting to have fun and learn about each other and network and gain relationships that could potentially last a lifetime.
From the get-go, from the very first time I learned about what UIU was about, I thought it was a very smart idea, still think it is, providing a venue for thoughts to be shared, providing a venue for Igbo to understand where they come from, to learn from each other, to network.
The good thing about convention is that it's for everyone and every type of person, every type of Igbo person. So you have engaging sessions. So for the professional who is wanting to network and meet different people in their industry, so we try to create events for that. So we have the professional in mind. We have the social aspect. So from Thursday nights karaoke, or in the past we've had UIU Got Talent. We have that social piece in there. We have the dating game. So those who are trying to honestly come and not just connect professionally, but they're trying to find their friends, their forever friends, or find their mate.
We have to continue to move the culture forward for us and also for our kids in the future. Igbo will never die at all.